Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix NFC not working on your Android phone. So let's get started. So very first thing you want to do, start by going into your setting. Now from your setting here, we're going to go to connections and look for the NFC setting. Here I see the NFC setting right here. If you happen to turn it off, you're going to make sure it's turned on. Now if it's turned on already, you're going to turn it off and then simply turn it on as well. And then you're going to tap on it to see the more connections. And now here you want to make sure you select the default wallet app. By default, it might be Google Wallet and such. So make sure that it is turned on and selected. You can select any of the wallets. So if you have a different wallet that you want to use, you want to go ahead and select it. As long as it says none, it will not work. So make sure one of them is selected. Now after that, the next thing you want to go ahead and make sure is that if you're using a thick case or a new case, sometimes it can block the NFC, which usually can be around here or a little bit down here. So if you're not placing it with the contact on the NFC itself, it might not work, especially if it's a magnetic mount or a metal phone case. Sometimes even a socket, like a pop socket, can actually interfere with NFC. If it's not working, that means it could be that one. Now, the next thing you want to go ahead and check out is the wallet itself. So if you're using a Google Wallet and such, you're going to make sure that your card has been added here. If it's not added, it's probably not going to work for you. So once you open it up, just make sure you add it here. I don't have it, so that's why it's not working for me. But make sure, of course, for you, you have a card added. Now, along with that, if it's still not working, the next thing you want to do is a quick restart. Usually you can do it from the top here by putting the restart menu from there, or using your side button here and the volume down button and restarting your phone just to do a quick fix. Now let's say you restart and still having issues. The next thing you want to go ahead and do is go into your setting, and in the setting here you want to go ahead and update your the device here. So you're going to go to your setting and then look for software update and check for new update, and if there's the update, you want to go ahead and fix it. Sometime a previous update might be causing issues, and it should go ahead and fix it for you with a new update. Now, after you update your phone to the latest version, the next thing you want to do is in the setting, general management, we're going to do a reset. And the two reset that you want to do is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting reset. And that can interfere with your NFC settings. So this will not delete any of your data, but an important step to do if you're still having issue. Now keep in mind, there is different ways to use NFC. Sometimes you may need to pull down the toggle here and look for the NFC option here. As you can see here, sometimes it's going to show up here. For example, we can go ahead and click on NFC as an example here. Let's go ahead and see right here. We can go ahead and activate NFC using the NFC tag here. So you can see here, we can use that, and that will activate NFC on our device. So look for that icon as well. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.